So, anong pipiliin mo? Yung may value na kaibigan? Or madami kang friends, pero nagpa-plastikan lang kayo? So, good morning. Ang message natin today is about God is removing people into your life. Kahit nga close friend mo. Dahil He is protecting you from things na hindi mo nalalaman na ginagawa nila sa'yo. So, if na-notice nyo yun sa inyo, I've experienced this na kahit close friend ko is God remove it from me. Because I prayed for magkaroon ako ng peace of mind. Tinanggal niya yung mga ganun. Nabawasan ng friends ko. Kahit yung parang hindi kami mapaghiwalay before na kaibigan ko is nawala rin. It's because may ginagawa siyang that destroys me. And now, if ma-realize mo yun, God is protecting you sa mga taong yun without you knowing. Siguro nagtataka ka na bakit nawawala. Some of your friends are nawawala. So, it's normal to lose friend, lalo na if God allows to, na mawala sila. As I always say na, it's better to have few friends rather madami kang friends but they are fake. Diba? So, anong pipiliin mo? Yung may value na kaibigan? Or madami kang friends pero nagpa-plastikan lang kayo? So, the choice is yours to choose naman.